Hi everyone and welcome to this super easy tutorial today. We'll be drawing and colouring a beautiful autumn leaf using just a few simple steps. All you need are colour pencils. I'm using Derwent Chromaflow pencils and paper for colouring, so let's get started. First, grab your pencil and we're going to lightly outline our leaf. The easiest way to get the right scale on your paper is to use the tip of your pencil and gently trace around or place pencil dots like this. You can use a real leaf or a printed template. This will give us a nice simple guide to follow without worrying too much about proportions. Tip: make the outline or dots light so you can blend later. Once you have the basic outline, it's time to refine the shape a bit. Focus on the jagged edges or points of the leaves and give your lines a bit more character. Don't worry about getting every detail perfect, we're aiming for a natural look. Okay, let's get started now in the colouring. First of all, grab your black pencil and we're going to colour in the stalk like this. Now I'm going to draw in the veins on the leaf. Now take a dark red-brown pencil. I'm using Raisin for defining more colour around the edge. Lightly go around the entire leaf again. Making sure to apply even pressure so the colour lays down smoothly. Today I'm using 5 colours from my pencil set, which are Raisin, Black, Scarlet, Flame and Amber Gold. Next we're going to add some warm tones like reds and oranges. Start layering in the red from the outside of the leaf and blend it in towards the middle. You can then follow with an orange pencil. Just keep layering lightly. We don't want the colours to overpower each other, but blend softly. To give the leaf more of an autumn feel, take a yellow pencil and gently shade around the centre of the leaf. You can also add a bit of brown along the veins to give the leaf a nice texture. Again, keep your strokes light and blend the colours as you go. You can go back and touch up areas if needed, adding more depth or highlights. Now that the leaf is fully coloured, you can lightly go over the outline with a dark brown or a soft black pencil to make the shape stand out more. Be gentle with this step, we're just enhancing the outline slightly, not making it too bold. And that's it, you've just created a beautiful autumn leaf with some simple colouring techniques. It's perfect for any time you feel like getting creative. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more fun and easy art projects. Thanks for watching.